Full disclosure, this mattress was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but opinions are my own. The CRYSTLI mattress in a box. This is a 10-inch memory foam mattress. We got the twin size right here. This box right here is the entire mattress. This is the CRYSTLI 10-inch memory foam mattress in a box. That's your mattress in a box right there. Boom! This thing is a full-blown mattress, guys. This is a twin size 10-inch memory foam mattress. This is not a mattress topper. This is a full-blown mattress. Instruction manual. We got the customer care right here. It comes with a little envelope cutter. CRYSTLI instruction manual. Unboxing a 10-inch memory foam mattress right now. 10-inch memory foam mattress. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, this thing is packed. Okay. Memory foam. It's coming to life. The twin size memory foam mattress right here, guys. And look how thin it is right now. It's very thin because it's all vacuum sealed right now. The CRYSTLI cutter. There's actual springs inside. There's a spring-loaded coil system inside. Let's cut this open. Give me some air. Come to life. Whoa! It's inflating. Oh my gosh! Look how fast it inflates. It's gonna inflate to 10 inches, guys. It's expanding. It's a full-blown mattress. If you ever want a new mattress, you don't want to worry about like logistics. This thing ships in a box. Unboxing, unboxing, unboxing. This thing is expanding right now in front of your very eyes, guys. Twin size, 10-inch memory foam mattress in a box. Unwrapped, ready to rock and roll. Wow, that's pretty cool. This is the side where you sleep on. And then this other side, you have the full-blown box spring setup. 7 different layers of this. You have breathable fabric, you have springs, you have everything. This is a full-blown twin bed. I have a bed! Whoa! This bed is nice. This bed is so comfy. I like it. Our 10-inch memory foam mattress is now unboxed. It's a full-blown mattress with a bunch of layers right here. You have fire retardant material. You have breathable material. You have the box spring in the bottom. Full-blown memory foam. You can jump on it. You can sleep on it. Oh man, this thing is nice. Look. Boom! Oh wow! Look at this. This is a nice memory foam mattress. Oh shoot! Wow! I can jump on it. I can fly. I can do whatever I want. This mattress rocks! Memory foam mattress for the win. Whoa! 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 Ninja trick! Ninja trick! Wow! Ninja trick! Whoa! Whoa! Memory foam mattress. This mattress is nice. It's a 10-inch memory foam right there. Oh yeah! 10-inch memory foam mattress right there. Ah yeah!